Okay guys, today I'm going to replace the expansion valve of my AC system. Looks like it's stuck open. My AC compressor does not build pressure, stays like 8 bar, 9 bar, and that's it. In order to reach the TRV valve or expansion valve, you have to remove that duct, also that flap cover. The duct which I removed is that one. It's held by 4 bolts, socket 10mm, and there is in the middle plastic clip 13mm socket. We have to remove that bar, the pollen filters, no big deal. Let's remove that flap cover, held by 2 10mm nuts. I already slugged them, so to not lose any time. Okay, there is no other bolt, just it is glued by this sealant. Okay, it's ready to be pulled out. And slowly break it. Okay, I already slugged that bracket. Bolt is out. Just make sure you drain all the refrigerant inside, which I already did, from those low and high pressure connections. There is still some freon remaining, some air inside the system. That's it. So we have to slug also those 10mm, so we have enough room to pull out those pipes. That's your expansion valve. That is how it should look like. Careful with these seals. Later when you reinstall them, you have to lubricate. Okay, so here is a TRV valve. There are, let's see, okay, hexagon. Alright, I will remove now those bolts, 2 bolts. Is the meter on key? 2 bolts. There are points which is holding it. Okay. That's the old one. And we have the with new O-rings and everything. Both sides here is covered. Let's compare those. Let's remove the O-rings inside.